Does Elixir even have booleans? I heard that it doesn't. Hey, it's Mark at alchemist.camp, where we learn Elixir and Phoenix by building things. Today we're just going to answer a really simple question, which is, does Elixir have booleans? And the answer is a little bit nuanced. It does have a true and a false in it, and it looks and acts just like booleans, but they're not a dedicated type. So first, let's look at an atom. ASDF is an atom. An Elixir atom is just a symbol. It's basically the same thing that you call a symbol in Ruby and some other languages. We can check and see if ASDF is equivalent to ASDF, and yes it is. We see it says true. However, this true is not a different type. This true is actually just an atom itself. So the atom true is the same thing as what looks like a keyword true, and same thing with false. So if we check to see, is ASDF the same thing as ZXCV? False. And this false is the atom false. Now, one other special atom that's related is nil. So if you check for something and it doesn't exist, like what's a good example? Say we have a map. So my map equals foo3, and then I look for my map bar. There is none, so we just get nil. Well, this nil is the atom nil. Just like true and false are atoms, so is nil. So it's actually just referring to this name, basically. And the way that truthiness and falsiness is implemented in Elixir is anything that is not false or nil is truthy. So if we negate ASDF, we get false, because ASDF is truthy. If we negate nil, we get true. And remember, that's the exact same thing as this nil. And if we want to compare nil equals false, well, that's false because they're not the exact same atom. However, if we want to look at not nil, not false, that will be true, because not nil is just true and not false is true. And these are the only two things for which you'll get true with a not in front of them. So hope this is useful for you. If so, go to Alchemist Camp on YouTube and click the newsletter up here. Give me your email and I'll let you know when I put out more videos and tutorials or interviews or things like that. That's it for today. See you next time.